In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the concepts and the numericals of average speed and average velocity. Before starting, we should know what is average speed and what is average velocity. The average speed is defined as the ratio of total distance by total time, and the average velocity is defined as the ratio of total displacement by total time. So, our task in this kind of problem will be to find out total distance in case of average speed and total displacement in case of average velocity. Let's understand the concept with the help of a numerical. In this problem, it is said that a cyclist is moving on a circular track from B to C anti-clockwise. The radius of the circular track is 3 meter and time is 3 seconds. We are to find out the average velocity and average speed. To find out average speed, we should know what is total distance covered. According to definition, distance is the actual path covered by a body in a given amount of time. Here in this problem, distance is the 3/4 of the circumference of the circle, as you can see below. To find out average velocity, we should know what is displacement. According to definition, displacement is the straight line distance between initial and final points. In this problem, initial point is B and final point is C. So, displacement is BC. Now, total distance is 3/4 of circumference, that is 2 pi r. Putting the value of r equal to 3 meter, we get total distance equal to 9 pi by 2 meters. Now, total displacement of the cyclist is BC. Also, from the figure, we can say BC is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle OBC, which can be easily found out by using Pythagorean theorem. By using Pythagorean theorem in the right angle triangle OBC, we can write BC square equal to OC square plus OB square. Also, from the figure, it is seen that OC and OB both are the radius of the given circle. By simple simplification, we can find out BC square equal to 2r square or BC equal to root 2r. Once we have found out the total distance, our next task will be to find out the average speed. We know average speed equal to total distance by total time. It is given that total time t equal to 3 seconds. Putting 9 pi by 2 in place of total distance and 3 seconds in place of total time, we get average speed equal to 9 pi by 6 meter per second, which after cancellation gives 3 pi by 2 meter per second. That's our first answer. Now, total displacement, as we found out earlier, was root 2r. Putting r equal to 3 meter, we get total displacement equal to 3 root 2 meters. As we know, average velocity is defined as total displacement by total time. So, putting 3 root 2 meters in case of total displacement and 3 seconds in place of total time, we get average velocity equal to root 2 meter per second. That's our answer. This is the end of today's video lecture. I will be soon coming with the part 2 of the video. Till then, keep happy, keep healthy. Thank you.